Hello kids, hope you all are doing and safe at home. All are doing good, right? Okay. So, I welcome you back to class again. So today, which subject you are going to learn? Which subject I am here to take? It is environmental studies. Okay. So in previous class, I started up with new lesson. Do you remember the lesson name? What is the chapter name? Yes, it's about clothes we wear. We all wear different kinds of clothes, correct? Different types. One might be cotton, silk, woolen. So this is the right time to wear sweater, pullover, coats, muffler, gloves, scarf and all. Correct. So this is the right time. Why? Because it's very cold, no? Like outside when you wake up in the morning itself when you woke up. So by that time you can see, when you open your door, you can see it full of fog. Correct. So you feel very cold to stand outside, right? So for that what you need? You have to cover your body with warm clothes. Correct. So sweaters and all. Sweater, pullovers, jackets. So this is all the clothes which makes us warm. So today we are going to learn about clothes. Clothes is fabric. Fabric is nothing but clothes. Okay. So in this picture, so I hope you all can see on the screen like the pictures. Correct. So this is a different types of clothes. So for example, so you can just look into your body itself. You can see the clothes which you have worn. Your parents, your brothers, sisters. You can touch it. When you touch, you can feel it is soft or like what it is. It is cotton, or you will get to know what type of a cloth it is. So now here we start the lesson. It is chapter number 6. Clothes we wear. Okay, what it is? Clothes we wear. So we'll have a small recap that what you learnt in the previous class. So you learnt about fabric. So now you let me know that what is a fabric? What do you mean by fabric? Yes, fabric is nothing but a cloth. So to define, the material used to make cloth is known as fabric. The material used to make cloth is known as fabric. Here, fabric can be cotton, silk and woolen, curtains, bed sheets, socks and handkerchief. Correct. So fabric can be, you can see, your parents will tell, you have different cloth material. One is cotton, silk, woolen. So you use that, blankets, bedspread, sheet and all, curtains, bed sheets, socks. So this is all a different types of fabrics. So now I'll tell you, see here. This cotton can be. So here, see, this is a cotton. Okay. This is cotton. This is, what is this? This is a silk. And how about this? What is this? This is a woolen. So, cotton, silk and woolen. We have fabrics. So now I'll give you a small introduction recap. You all know this is a cotton things. Can you all see this cotton? This is a cotton frock, shirt and top. This is a silk. And how about this? This is a woolen. So where do you get woolen? Wool? Where do you get woolen and all? You get it from sheep. So this is how they cut the wool from sheep. Can you all see here it is fully covered. Can you all see this wool here? They have removed it. See here. They are removing the wool. I hope you are noticing it. So this is a woolen. Now, so in last class, you learnt about types of fabric. Correct. You learnt about types of fabric. So now you let me know that how many types of fabric are there and what are they? Yes? You have how many types of fabric? We have two types of fabric. Correct. So one is natural fabric. The other one is human made or synthetic fabric. Correct. How many types of fabric we have? We have two types of fabric. One is natural fabric and the other one is homemade or synthetic fabric. Correct. So in last class I have explained you about natural fabric. So I hope you're able to understand this natural fabric. So now I'll give you a clear explanation about natural fabric, what I have taught you in last class. So are you all ready? Okay. So here it is. So natural fabric. So, natural fabric are made of threads from plants and animals. So what do you mean by natural fabric? Natural fabric are made of threads from plants and animals. Okay, this natural fabric is made of threads from plants and animals. So we'll see what it is. Here, for example, cotton fabric are woven with threads made from seeds of the cotton plant. So these are the seeds of cotton plant. Okay, so these are the seeds of cotton plant. They'll remove this cotton and after that, once it is done, you can see it will be like cotton fabric. Okay, so from cotton plant, you will get seeds. See, this is a cotton plant. So when they remove this, you will get it. See, can you all see? This is a cotton plant. See here, the cotton, and this is a cotton form. Here, jute fabric are made from the stem of the jute plant. So jute fabric are made from the stem of the jute plant. So this is a stem. Correct. So this is a jute fabric. So I hope you in your daily basis also you keep using a jute, correct, no, jute fabric. So for example, few students have noticed and have observed that in jute bag used to carry your lunch bag. Lunch bag in the sense lunch box, water bottle, snacks box and all. Correct. So rather than using your lunch bag, you were using your jute bag as your lunch bag. Correct. So I have noticed it in school itself. So that is also good. Correct, no? You have different, different styles and all. So one will be holding like this and it will be in this shapes and all. You will have different shapes and different designs. Correct. So I'll show you one by one. See here. This is a jute. See here. This rope you all know, no? This is also sack. Jute sack this is. Can you all see this? This is a jute bags. See. It is same but the colors are different. So like this jute bags and all we have in different styles also. So different designs. So it is all there. So if you go out with your parents, most probably it will be in exhibitions. If you go out with your parents, you will find this. So by that time you can notice. So this is a jute. Okay, if it is like this is a jute. And here. So this is a jute slippers. A sandals like something, footwear. It is jute footwear. And this is a mat. You use this, no, floor mat. And this is a, what is this? This is decorative things which you can keep at your home on the table. Correct. See, you all have this. So if you don't have also, that is not a problem. When you go out, you can have a look. Okay. So jute you can see, cotton, woolen, silk and all. Even you have jute cloths also. Jute frocks you have, saris, shirts, pants, you all have this. So if you go for shop, if you're going for shopping, like to purchase any dresses, you ask the shop peoples, ask them to show jute clothings and all. So by that time they'll give, you can touch it and see. So how the cloth is like this, you can touch it and see, then you will get to know this is a jute clothings. Here, can you see here design bags and all it is there. Can you all see this? So this is all jute products. Okay kids, this is what the jute products. So now, we have in today's class, till now you have learned types of fabric, natural fabric and human made or synthetic fabric. So today you are going to learn about natural fabric. So far in last class I taught you about, what did I taught you? Cotton and jute. This was the two topic I taught you in the natural fabric. So what was it? Cotton and what is another one? Cotton and jute. So in today's class, you are going to learn about, this is the thing, camel hair, woolen fabric and silk fabric. So this is what today you are going to learn. Okay. So now we'll go to the camel hair. So you might be thinking, what is camel hair? Correct. See, this is a camel hair. So camel hair is also used to make fabric. In camel hair also, they use camel hair to make fabric. Fabric in the sense cloth. So you might be wondering, what, like in camel hair we use fabric, we make fabric. You might be thinking, right? Yes, it is there, and I'll tell you what it is, and I'll show you the pictures also. See here. Uses of camel hair. Here, the hides were also used for making ropes, guards, drums, seats, sandals, praying mats, and water and milk containers. So here what it is, uses of camel hair. The camel hair is used for making ropes, guards, drums, seats, sandals, praying mats. So what do you mean by ropes? Ropes is nothing but kaya. You will tell no rope. And I showed you, no, it is there inside like that. And guards and drums. You know the drums, no? That one. Seats which we sit on the table. You all have a seat, no? Inside that seat you can see. So earlier they used to keep some sack like that and all was there. And cotton also they use. Correct, no kids? So now here they have used camel hair. Camel hair also we use seats inside that. Sandals. Sandals means footwear. And praying mats. Praying mats is nothing but when you do yoga or when you pray for God. So like normally in Northeast side Hindi peoples, they pray for God, like for Lord Krishna and all. What they'll do? They'll sit on a mat. They'll take small mat or a big mat. Like what it is, they won't even mind that if it is big also small, but they need a praying mat. They'll keep a praying mat down and they'll sit on that. So for this also praying mat we call it as water and milk container. For water and milk container, this camel hair they have used. They are using it. Okay. So now you might have understood. So like it is uses of camel hair. For so many purposes we use camel hair. So I'll read once again. Please make a note. This in general I am giving you. The hides were also used for making ropes, guards, drums, seats, sandals, praying mats and water and container. So see kids, this is a camel hair. See, this is a camel hair. Okay? Okay kids? See, so this is a material, this is a thing that this is a camel hair bag it is. Okay, and this is camel hair blanket. Okay kids, so watch it properly. Though these are the two things that from camel hair they have done. They have made use of camel hair and they have done this. This is a, what is this? This is a handbag. This is made up of camel hair and this is a blanket. Okay. So it look like woolen, but this is not a woolen. This is a camel hair. They have made use of camel hair and they have done with that. Okay. So notice properly. So it seems to be like woolen, but this is not at all woolen. Okay. Understood? So camel hair is used for to make footwear, seats, drums, and for water and milk container. Correct. So for so many things camel hair is used. So they are using now also. So come, we'll move to the next one. Come on kids.